how hard it is if it's out. All right, so very few people get this lined up so well. Boom. But now he's going to try to eliminate all those little excess motions so that he can be a rubber band snapping all the way up there. Okay, you remember that full rubber band feeling going up? Okay. Okay, so what we want right here is like, look, this racket is like, it's like a little too high right there.
Okay.
You know, I want to see you saving a little bit, you know, down so that the racket can go like that forward and snapping forward at the top more. That's nice. Wait, say that again. What part of your body is holding back the energy a little bit? My legs. Okay. So let your legs deliver an optimum amount of energy to give you maximum acceleration. Okay. Now, did you do too much or too little legs? Okay, here we go. Okay, is that closer? Yeah. But is it still too much or too little? It's a little bit too much. Okay. Dude, it's okay. Now, it's really close to being perfect, but if you had to do a little more, a little less, what would it be? I think that would be a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Okay, feeling the compression, listening for the whoomp. You've got to deliver more whoomp up at the top. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay, now hit this one. Okay. Is that all you have? Let it all out, Kai. Okay, good. Now, what was the problem? Yeah. Okay, now, what was the difference between the last two?
The last one I was like,
because you were, what? There was something different about you between the last two serves.
The second one I was attacking.
Okay, because you were trying too hard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to realize that, because the one before was so awesome. Yeah. And I think you were like, okay, now I'm going to try hard, and now it's going to go 500 miles an hour, yeah. Right? But it doesn't work like that. You have to let the energy out. See? Yeah. Lather, rinse, repeat. Okay, go back to the ones that work. Dude.